Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's get things going by taking a look at the exercise. I have said this before, but we think it's imperative to have an exercise every single week that really hammers home triad inversions. So why not just take a popular song and work on the inversions with those chords as the backbone? I'll note that the alternate picking exercise from this week is played in the same key, so you can mess around with those notes and see if you come up with something you like. So all we're doing here is playing the chords in the song Driver's License, which are B flat major, G minor, and then E flat major. But we're playing these chords using all of the major and minor triad inversions on the 4-3-2 string set. Really take note of the shapes as you play through them, even if you don't quite get the applicability yet. I promise that their significance will click with you at some point. So play around with these inversions for about 5 to 10 minutes to get yourself warmed up, and then move on to your session, and we'll see you next time.